Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing and I'm going to take you through all the products, my thoughts. I will insert some footage of me actually using the products. I just used everything except for one product on my face, so I will give you sort of like my first impressions, how I felt about everything. We are gonna jump right into it. I did get gifted this Boxycharm box. I am super grateful to be working with Boxycharm. I have been a fan for such a long time and I watch all the unboxing videos on YouTube myself, so to be working with them is really an honor. I'm super thankful, and you guys know I am a makeup and skincare junkie, so to receive new products that I may otherwise never have heard of every month is super fun for me. So the theme of the box this month is obviously XOXO. Valentine's Day was yesterday. Today is the 15th, so obviously a very much love-based sort of vibes with the box. So this is what we get. I am going to start with this guy. So this was the first thing that I used today. It is the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. So I wasn't super excited about this when I opened it up because it's just very neutral, basic colors, nothing I haven't seen before. But I actually did my eye look today with all of these shades in the center here. So initially I wasn't super impressed just because it's not like super eye-catching or anything, but everything applied really nicely. I did use the blush and the highlight as well. I really liked the highlight. I thought the blush was gonna be a little pink for me, but I actually ended up really liking it. So this was a hit for me. This retails for $36. I used that palette with this eye brush set from Glamierre. This is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It retails for $29.95. So you get 4 brushes in here, I believe. Yes, 4 brushes. I used 3 of them. The only one I didn't use is this little liner brush, but these remind me so much of the Love is the Foundation brush from It Cosmetics. How crazy is that? The pinks are a little different. They're not the best brushes that I've ever used. I like a fluffier crease brush typically, but they were soft and they worked fine, but nothing special in my opinion. The case is really cute though. I love the pink and I love the little floaty hearts, so that's fun. Next up we will go to this bad boy. This is an eyeliner mascara duo, so this was a little confusing for me at first. This is the Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. This is $44, but you do get 2 products in here. So I was a little confused at first. This thing is intense, first of all, but the eyeliner I didn't realize, so it's one of the retractable eyeliners, which isn't my favorite thing in the world. I prefer the sort of felt tip glidey eyeliners, but this worked perfectly fine. I actually used another brush to smudge it out, and then I realized that it has a smudging side, so that's cool. I didn't have any issues with it, but again, not my favorite thing in the world. So the mascara, I actually really liked the mascara. I think it looks really pretty. There's an eyelash curler on this end, which was very confusing to me. I ended up not really using it because I realized it after I had already curled my lashes. So it says flip down to curl. So there's a little, pull the clear cap off to access the half curler. So I guess it's just meant for sort of like the outer half of your eyelashes? I don't know. Yeah, okay. Starting at the outer corner of the eye, position the curler as close as possible to the lash line. So it's just a little curler for your outer lashes, I guess. I don't know that I would really use this, but I will give it another try because I did already curl my lashes prior to using it. But I really liked the mascara. I thought it was really nice. The liner I could do without, but it was fine. It worked well. Next up, this is the only thing that I haven't used in the box. It is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. and this is $29. A lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, texture. It's a jelly texture mask crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. So I have not tried this yet. Maybe I will use it tonight. If any of you have tried it before, let me know in the comments. I've actually never tried Saturday Skin before, but I've seen their stuff. The packaging's really cute. It's got a little orange slice. Oh, so cute. I've seen this at Sephora, this brand. I believe it's really affordable in terms of some of the other skincare at Sephora. So like I said, this is $29. It says use 3 to 5 times a week after your moisturizer and leave on overnight. So I will definitely try this out and report back. Actually, let's smell it. Ooh, smells citrusy. We are on to our last product. And it was kind of a fail for me because let me not get ahead of myself. So this is the St. Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. So you get 2 lip liners in here, and this retails for $40. So the first one I went for was the Secret Admirer, but when I went to apply it, the little tip had fallen off, and I'm not getting any indication that I can move this, so I don't know if I'm just shit out of luck or what, but that one didn't work. So I moved on to this one, which is the more like rosy shade, and this is the shade Love Letter. So I did like this color. It was a little scratchy for me, a little stiff. Some lip liners that I have definitely enjoy better, that are just creamier, they glide on a little easier. This took me a little bit longer than lip liners that I've used in the past, so not something that I think I would grab again, especially for 40 bucks. And you do get 2, but if one comes broken, what are you supposed to do? But here are some of the claims. Creamy, long lasting. I didn't get the creamy vibe. I really didn't. Hydrating formula, smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. So I mean, I enjoyed the color, and then I did add a lipstick and a gloss over top because my lips just felt a little bit dry. So I don't know about that hydrating formula. I don't know. You can't win them all, can you? But that is going to wrap up this quick little Boxycharm video. Let's add up all of the products. The total for all 5 products was $178.95, which is amazing because you pay a fraction of that for the box. Like I said, I will report back on the sleep mask. Didn't love the lip liner duo, but I did really enjoy the Wander Beauty palette. I enjoyed the brushes. The mascara was a huge hit. So all in all, I am really happy with this month's box. If you guys have Boxycharm, let me know if you got something different, if you got the same thing. I highly recommend this box. It's so much fun to get every month. You never know what you're gonna get. And I think that that's definitely part of the fun because you know you're getting full-sized items that you can find at Ulta, Sephora. So it's a really fun treat for yourself every month, especially if you're a skincare and makeup junkie like me. But that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back soon with another episode of LF Training, so be on the lookout, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, have a great week.